alcohol contains 10% of alcohol. And spirits have different range of alcohol depending on which brand and what type of spirit, like rum, gin, whiskey, brandy, vodka, what you are drinking. So it has 40 to 55% of alcohol. So blood alcohol content, BAC, which is known as like amount of alcohol present in the blood that develops from drinking average alcohol.
So 0.0 says 0.40 is the range, 0.0 is considered as sober and 0.40 is fatal. So 0.008%. Reduced muscle coordination finds more difficult to detect danger and has impaired judgment.
Expert speaking.
Thank you.
So spiritual you are.
Very spiritual.
Any questions, anyone?
सेफ तो कुछ भी नहीं है, फिर अपने ऊपर
0.03% से कम पीना it is safe.
The next day.
Then I had my first post-mortem visit. It was a case of suicide by hanging. I also sew the body back and I can't show it because it's not legal and for obvious reasons too.
The next day.
This is the video of pediatric posting. In this, sir was teaching us the steps of neonatal resuscitation. It starts from the very moment pediatric enters the labor room and from checking all the things needed to put the clothes in warmer and to ask the gynec whether the baby is dumb or not, liquor was stained, whether the baby has cried or not, and if everything is normal, clamp and cut the cord within a minute, and if not, further steps are to be taken accordingly.
एक 8 और एक 10. Then I will see check mask size है वो 3 अवेलेबल है. प्री-टर्म के लिए 2 और टर्म के लिए 1. ET में भी 3, 2.5, 3 and 3.5.
So ideally 2.5 you will use for less than 1.5 kg baby. 1.5 to 2.5 kg baby you are going to use 3 size. More than 2.5 kg baby you are going to use 3.5 size.
Then laryngoscope. हाँ, laryngoscope blade. उसमें 2 size 0 and 0. 0 for preterm and 0 for term.
Preparation for tomorrow. We are having so much work to do and tomorrow is a warden. I am missing my clinics. I have to run and go to hospital now. Shut up and come to I don't think we can go to हॉस्पिटल टुडे बिकॉज अभी ऑलरेडी कितने टाइम हुआ 3:17 और हमको 4 बजे डीन सर के पास और प्रोवोस्ट मैम के पास मीटिंग में जाना है एंड टॉपिक
ડોક્યુમેન્ટ ઈમેલ
हाँ મને ईमेल કરી દે
હવે મેમ ને કરવાનું છે પણ
હવે મેમ ને
આપણા છે મને એક તો કોલેજના કોમ્પ્યુટરમાં આવીને લોચા મારી વગર કોઈ
विदाउट परमिशन लाइक दे हैव टोल्ड के
पीएसएम डिपार्टमेंट का है प्लीज पीएसएम वाले स्वीट है वैसे तो
वो 3rd ईयर में पता चलेगा
तो यार वो चाय मंगवाई हमारे लिए
हाँ हमको चाय पिलाई उन लोगों ने ये लो तुम चाय पियो अच्छी लड़कियाँ हो एंड आई ऑल्सो हैव मीटिंग विथ रेडियो के HOD के साथ क्योंकि सैटरडे और संडे हमारी रेडियो की कॉन्फ्रेंस है जिसमें फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया रेडियोलॉजिस्ट आर गोइंग टू कम एंड विजिट आवर कॉलेज सो वो भी है तो मेरे को 6 बजे हॉस्पिटल जाना पड़ेगा
और कुछ
हाँ हिस्ट्री लिखवानी है 5 अजय से हाय हाय इट्स 7:36 and we are just done with radio meeting and leaving the hospital. So awkward for me to shoot.
The next morning.
Only Topi is doing work. We all are sitting.
We are also. इसके लिए खाना नहीं खाया हमने. Better option खाना तो गए ले आओ. हाँ. Pop चालसे?
Pop. Not so.
हाँ आपने pop ले. Scooty दे.
Scooty there. Alas scooty.
दे. Yeah.
Today is very hectic day. I have my exam. I have
Scooty જોઈ છે તારે?
no.
Scooty.
6 puff and 1 coffee. Please.
કામ કરે છે એની તો ઇજ્જત જ નથી.
हमारे भी कॉफी तो जो है
તું હું કામ કરતી છે?
सॉरी पंखा
Today is very hectic day. I have my exam. I have one event. Then I have to go to hospital again for one meeting. That is tomorrow's conference. 3 दिन मेरे लगे पड़े हैं. And आज सुबह सुबह मेरे को बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ मिली जो आपको पता चलेगा.
મને નહીં લેવાની આવું.
अरे तू तो हमारी ध्रुवी पतल है. ध्रुवी पटेल खोपड़ी में तेल एसएस में फेल 100 साल की जेल. Made it to exam. Still it's 3:20 and 3:30 को इवेंट स्टार्ट होने वाला है. बट मेरी एग्ज़ाम बाकी है तो मेरे को एग्ज़ाम देनी पड़ेगी. से हाय. डेडिकेशन फॉर व्लॉगिंग. एंड विद वार्डन. इट वॉज ग्रेट. लाइक हम 4 को बुलाया एंड हम चारों फट आंसर दे रहे हैं. किसी को कुछ आता नहीं है तो भी जिसको जितना आता था हम ट्रे में से उठाते गए. What a day it has been. चलो फास्ट क्या आटला गामना छेड़े मुई कित्ते. Let's go. How's the Josh? Very low. Please don't dance. Came from Warden. It went very well. Like मैम भी बहुत easy सवाल पूछ रहे थे. So yes, didn't think I will make it, but I did make it. Guys, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, Toby.
I'm fucked up right now. I don't want to believe in anyone.
A very good afternoon and I heartily welcome you all to the prize distribution ceremony of Med Olympics 2022 and HM Patel Night Tournament. We are glad to have you all. Before starting with the prize distribution ceremony, we, the batch 2020, have prepared a small video on Med Olympics 2022. So let's have a glimpse together and live those moments again.
On stage and felicitate the winners with their awards. 400 meter girls. Third prize goes to Shakti Chaudhary. Second prize Shruti Madani. First prize Sia Magnani. 400 meter boys. Third prize goes to Meet Chauhan. Second prize Jaideep Todia. First prize Akshit Chaudhary.
દે નવો
નથી પૈસા
મારે હમણાં આવશે
ફોન જેટલા
યુટ્યુબમાંથી હા તો હું હાય
ખાલી ગર્લ થિંગ પૈસા
સે સમથિંગ
બસ આજ મુજે વાત નથી કહેવા
won a trophy for basketball second prize and kabaddi gold medal. तू क्या जीती?
Volleyball gold.
Yes.
Buscaba aún así y por fin te conseguí desde que te